Just like the Beatles who revolutionized the music industry, Students Vega Residence, a student housing destination in London, is sure to transform your perception of the ideal abode. Whether you prefer the convenience of en-suites or the privacy of studios, there's something for everyone at Students Vega Residence, London. While the studio apartment offers the luxury of having the entire place to yourself, an en-suite boasts of convenience, opening up to a snug bed, a desk and chair, and ample storage space to store all your gear, ensuring a seamless stay. What's more, at Students Vega Residence, your social life is going to hit a new high with an in-house cinema room and a games room. While the Sky Terrace lets you rejuvenate, the on-site laundry facility saves you unnecessary trips to the laundrette. But the ultimate icing on the cake is the inclusion of utility bills in the rent, saving you a big chunk of money. Talking of the location, the University of Wales Trinity St. David, London campus, and Chelsea College of Arts are a pleasant stroll away. To satiate your week-long culinary cravings, you'll have various delectable dining options to choose from, such as Mumbai Delight, Brunswick House, and Get the Greek. For the weekend, head to nightclubs such as Union, Fire and Lightbox, or Fire Nightclub, all of which are quite close by. Or you could also explore the lively city of London at your own pace by hopping onto a bus. So are you ready to experience the perfect fusion of academic rigor and a fun social life? Head straight to amberstudent.com to experience the stay of a lifetime at Students Vega Residence, adding that extra to the otherwise ordinary stay.